Right, hello everyone, welcome back. So I just wanted to run through all of the presets in the pedal board so you can hear what I've actually come up with. So to start with, this guitar is an ESP E2 Horizon in the wonderful sort of cherry flame top, quilted maple. It has EMG 57 and 66 pickups in them, and it's the TW version, so they can coil split, which is always pretty cool. And we're adjusting E standard. And preset 1, as you can hear, is a nice clean channel with a little bit of reverb from the Ocean's 11. Give my sloppy playing, but you get the idea. Need to warm up a bit, I think. Itchy eyes as well. I feel like I'm getting bloody hay fever in the winter. Anyway, coil splitting. The wrong notes are extra. So that's the clean reverb. So next I have the ambient clean setting. Great sounding ambient clean, and that's going through the delverb and the chorus, I think, and I think that's kind of it. Yeah, sounds like it. So, a bit of overdrive. So with the precision drive and just the Ocean's 11. Just use the volume to back that gain bite out. which sounds rather nice. And then with the bridge pickup, just has that bit of plexi vibe to it. I like it. I think it's a great pedal. So, business end now. That's what I like to call this half of the pedal board, because it's all the chug stuff. So, rhythm, this is straight into the amp. There's no effects, anything colouring the pedal board at all. The only thing is running is the gate pedal. Brutal. This amp is absolutely merciless. I do love it. So, boost rhythm. So the precision drive hitting the front end of an angle fireball with the gain fairly cranked. Now, you might wonder why I bother having a pushed front end of an angle fireball of all things. It's because I use the Digitech drop. So, there's a helicopter buzzing around somewhere. So the Digitech drop tends to suck a little bit of the presence and the gain out of the tone. So I use the Horizon drive to bring back a little bit of tightness and a little bit more, I don't know, just EQ it a little bit more so it sounds a bit better. So this is just the dry rhythm channel, and then I'll hit it with the precision drive, so give you the nod so you can listen for the change, or don't watch the video and try and hear it yourself as much as you can through a shitty mobile phone speaker, but you know what I mean. So this is C sharp. So the thing with the Digitech drop, once you get sort of below 3 semitones, it really starts to flub out and struggle. So this is now from E standard into B, and this is the dry rhythm channel with no boost. Horizon drive. To me, it just sounds a lot clearer and a lot more responsive with the drop pedal being a little lower. Finally, back in E standard, we have a lead channel. The lead channel goes through the EQ pedal into the Del Verve, I'm pretty sure, and yes, so this is the current 5.4 rig. It weighs a ton, but it sounds bloody great. Am I going to go digital? Well, to be continued, but I'm working on it. We shall see. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that for what it is, and hopefully see you at a gig soon enough. Cheerio.